everybody, this is a like review on the 6.5 horsepower. This is a Briggs and Stratton engine, yard machines by MTD. This is a 21-inch push mower. I just got this thing all cleaned up. It's missing the the side door flat, so I'm gonna replace that. It's only a couple bucks. I just replaced the spark plug. This is the one that came, well, the one that was in it. As you can see, it's very rusty, you know, and it's all oil soaked and, you know, gross. But yeah, this was the old one. Champion spark plug. Just put in this new one right here. This one was like $6, but it's worth it. This is a really good one. You know, I'll post what kind this one is, but this is a really nice one. It's like the best one for the lawnmowers. It's a direct fit, so it's gonna go nice and easy. I'm gonna replace this just because it's the muffler, because it's a little bit, well, yeah, the muffler exhaust. Just because it's, you know, it's a couple years old and it's a little rusty. You know, it's only 20 bucks, so you know, why not? Oil, it has to have an oil change, and it needs a little bit more fuel. It's 190 cc. This is a 675 series. You know, obviously, let's torque down that spark plug using a 13/16 socket with a 3/8 drive ratchet. Put this tight. In there. Torque it down until it feels tight. You want it in there pretty good. That's good enough. Sorry for the light in the glare. But yeah, and just, that's the cap. Put it on there. You'll hear it snap. There you go. Now let's do a quick startup. Do a startup. This is a 2007 lawnmower. Try to start this up for you best I can. Okay, let's remove this air cleaner. This is the first time opening this up, so this could be a dirty one. You know, usually it's not right tight, just as I produced some liquor before. So let's loosen this guy up. You can just do it by hand now, because it's very easy. This is pretty clean. That's good. Okay, that's the filter. Wow, that's gotta be replaced. Yep. It's a very dirty air cleaner. The light won't even pass through it. Well, yeah, you get a little bit of light, but just overall things dirty. But this is pretty clean. That's good. To install it, just put this in there like this. That make it look like this. And just use these tabs there. You put it in there and just put it in. Start the nut. And then just tighten that guy up. Under here, I already pre-cleaned this. There's no grass buildup or anything. And if you want to change the oil, there's that little nut thing right there. But overall, the blade's pretty sharp, and I sprayed it down with WD-40, so that got nice. This here might look blue in the video, but it's not, just the way the camera is. But overall, it's nice. Just have to buy a new air cleaner, some oil, some gas, and this side discharge in a bag. But I already have a bag, so that's not bad. And the wheels are nice. And that's the review of the 6.5 horsepower yard machines Briggs and Stratton.